Let's open this pack of 1993 action-packed Hall of Fame basketball cards, along with this special prototype card. We'll open that one last. This was, the prototype card was on the top of this unopened box of these cards. I remember opening some of these as a kid. Let's see what we've got on the inside. We start off with Pete Maravich, Pistol Pete. Those shorty shorts. Amazing. We got Bill Walton. Let's look at the back too. Pretty boring back actually. Bill Walton, class of '93. That means he was elected to the Hall of Fame in 1993. Jerry West in his college days at West Virginia. Pretty cool. We've got Julius Erving, Basketball Hall of Fame 25th anniversary. We've got some kind of a something another. Ed McCauley. Pretty cool. We end with Elvin Hayes. Pretty awesome. Let's see what this prototype card is. Oh, wow. Mellow Yellow Grand Prix card of Kyle Petty. Nice. Interesting. So some racing cards in the action pack. It's hilarious. Let's go Julius Erving. Let's go Jerry West. Bill Walton. Pete Maravich. Along with some racing cards. What a weird video you just watched. Subscribe and like. Thanks so much.